Welcome to TINE Academy. This video is the supplementary part of scientific programming with Julia Computing. My name is Prapo, and I will show you how to install Julia on Windows. The first step is to download Julia Computing from Julia website. So we go to Google and then type Julia Pro. So this is Julia package that is easiest to install. So click the first link here. And now you are at the Julia Pro web page, and then click current stable release for Windows. And then to download, you have to sign in or register with the Julia website. So we use Google because I have Gmail already. So what I need to do is just click at my account and enter my password, the Gmail password. Then next. Now Julia is being downloaded, so I will save it in my download folder and then save. Since I already downloaded these versions before, so it asked me to replace it, so I just replace it. But for you, if this is new, you can save it directly. Now we wait until it's finished, and let's see what next we have to do. Once Julia is completely downloaded, now it's ready to install. So I save the installation file in download, and here's Julia Pro, and then choose I agree and install for current user. Then next. For the domain name, you can leave it like that. Click next and tick all of these to ensure that we can find where it's the icons of the Julia. Next. And destination folder, I just leave it like that. So click install. So I will skip this part because it takes time. So we will move to how to start Julia. At the end of the installations, it will be look like this. So just click close and find where it's Julia Pro icon. It's on the top left of my desktop. Oh, it's over there. So I click on it. It takes time for the first run. Okay, now I think Julia is ready. As you can see from the REPL console, it said press enter to start Julia. So you click on that prompt and then just press enter. And now starting Julia. So REPL, it stands for read eval. Eval is from evaluation, and P is print, and L is loop. And here we can close unnecessary tab like documentations. We can close it. And another one is Juno release node. We can close that one. And now we can test how it works. So the REPL is like calculator. You can try like this: a equal to 2 multiplied with 3, and then enter. And you will see that it's equal to 6, and this a is stored in the workspace. You can try with another one. For example, b equal to exponentials. This will be a functions exponential of 3, and that will be stored in workspace again. And you will see that there is a default variable that Julia will store the value, that is answer. So if you don't set anything, if you don't set any variable, for example, you just use 2 multiplied by 3, the answer will be 6. And if you just type exponential of 3, you will get answers that is equal to the 20.1 something. And that's it. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next video.